Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I achieved my everyday natural makeup routine. And I don't wear makeup on an everyday basis, but if I were, this is the exact look I would do. It's really simple, it's really natural, really easy. And when I do go out with like my friends or my boyfriend and I'm want to look put together really quick, this is the exact makeup look that I do. And I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look because I haven't done like any makeup videos on my channel in like a long time, and I want to like start doing some more for you guys, giving you guys ideas of how I do my makeup for different occasions. And I thought this would be a perfect look to start out with. It's just a natural, simple, everyday go-to type of makeup look that you can achieve literally in like 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing, my face is already moisturized. I already washed it, I already prepped it. The only thing that I have to do is prime it. So I have this sample of the Hangover X primer, but it's a 3-in-1, so it's the like primer and setting spray. And I got like a little cute sample spray with one of my purchases one time, so I use this to prime my face after I moisturize it. And since this is like an everyday natural makeup look, you'll see like my steps are really minimal, but I do like to still prime my face and everything. But yeah, let's just get started with the primer. And it smells so good. So I just let that like sit into my skin, and I'm sorry if you can hear construction in the background. Okay, so now that that's all done, what I'm going to go in first, I'm not using a foundation today because it's a simple everyday makeup look. You want something more light coverage, lightweight, and this is literally so good. I've been using it for a while, and it's the It Cosmetics CC cream, and it has SPF in it, which is really good for your skin. So it's perfect for like everyday going out in the daytime. For nighttime when you're doing like an actual makeup look, you don't want SPF because it's gonna give you flashback. So this is really good because it does give you coverage, but it just like evens out your skin tone, and it's super natural looking. So I'm in the shade medium, so I'm going to be putting this on. I'm going to squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand, and if I'm looking here, it's because my mirror's here. So I'm going to squeeze. And I don't know, but lately I've been loving using a brush to put on like anything that I wear. So I'm just going to be using this type of brush and taking it and applying it. If you have any redness, it like covers it, like I said. But if you're looking for like a more full coverage, like for an everyday natural makeup look, you could still use other foundations that are more coverage. But I just love the CC cream because it literally makes your skin look flawless, and it's super natural, so it still looks like your skin but better. Like, do you see how like glowy it looks? So once I feel like that is all blended out really nicely, I'm gonna go in now with concealer, and I actually need to get my concealer brush. Okay. So my favorite concealer from the drugstore, and this is basically kind of, actually it's not. This is from the drugstore. It is the best, and it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Pale. So good. Like, even for like a full-on makeup look, I still use this because it is so good. It's not like super crazy thick, but it gets really good coverage. You don't need to put a lot, and it's really easily blendable, and I'm obsessed with it. Doesn't make you look like cracky or dry. So just twist, and I'm not doing too much. I personally don't like the look of like super bright underneath the eyes. That's enough for me, and I never do it there either. So that's basically where I put it. And again, with a brush, which one is it? I think it's this one. With just a little brush, I blend it out. And then what I like to do is go back with my brush that I put on my CC cream and just blend out around the edges, because I hate when concealer goes up here, you know? And I literally don't feel like I have anything on, and that's what's so good about this like everyday natural makeup look, because you don't want to feel like you're wearing a ton of makeup. You just want to look put together, and it's super flawless. And then what I do to set, this is the best also drugstore powder, and it's the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in Transparent. This makes your skin like look so flawless. It's crazy, and it leaves it set. Like, I don't get oily, because I also tend to get oily in my T-zone. This literally holds up. It literally even says up to like 5 hours, and then you need to maybe reapply, but it doesn't make you look cakey at all. I've literally reapplied and I look perfectly fine. So I take it on this taper brush that goes perfectly under your eye. I just pat a little bit like this and press it in. You just want to press it in like this. And because today's gonna be a hot day and I don't want to get oily, I'm just gonna lightly go in my T-zone where I normally would get oily. But it really is so good. Okay, and next is bronzer. I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm not like doing intense contouring or anything because it is a natural everyday makeup look, but I still want to add some color to my face. So I'm just going to take it on this big fluffy brush, and I love this bronzer, it's so good. Tap off any excess and I don't do eyeshadow or anything for this type of look. Again, this is a natural everyday makeup look. Even though I don't wear makeup necessarily every day, this is what I would do if I was wearing it every day. But when I do like go out with friends or go out with my boyfriend, or I'm gonna like go out in the daytime and I want to look put together, this is the look I do. So the next step is going to be mascara, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And what I like to do is get a mirror that's up close and look down so that you're really getting a each lash. So I'm gonna curl them first one by one. I do one eye at a time so that it holds the curl. And that is my lashes. I'm gonna go get a Q-tip so that I can clean up around it really quick. Last but not least is setting it again with the hangover spray. Alright guys, and this is my finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday natural makeup routine, makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. This is what I do when I'm going out, like I said, to go like during the daytime, like a natural, quick, easy, put together look. Looks like your skin will look better. And this is my little routine for when I do this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.